Hey, g'day folks, welcome aboard. This is a video just of this boat and what is coming up next in the next couple of weeks for us on the channel. I've got a pocket down here which I have made for this boat. I've also rebuilt the floors. Now the floors are 3mm aluminium. They were timber floors. I've taken the timber floors out. I've rebuilt them and I've laid new carpet on top of them, screwed them all down. I had to remove the console, get it out of the way so I could get the panels out. I've also put a windscreen on the front of this and a new hoop. The old hoop interfered with where the sounder was, so I've removed that and pushed the hoop forward a little bit so it clears the sounder. I also rebuilt the cast deck and replaced all the floors and carpet in the cast deck as well. And of course, the best thing I've done, which is a video coming out very soon as well, is the drop down rod locker. And you can see this rod locker, it drops all the way to the floor. It was a request that it drop to the floor. You can store 4 tackle trays inside here. Take them out and put them in if you need. It can hold 5 rods. All locks away nice and neat. And it's carpeted on the outside. Stores everything away. If you can't see it, you can't find it, you can't steal it, that kind of thing. But that's been done as well. I do a video on the rod locker, on building a rod locker and how we go about it and what hinges we use, how to set everything up and how to build it. I also do the pocket in a little video as well. I haven't done the windscreen, but I'm showing you today that we did the windscreen, put a new piece of Perspex on the front there. And I also show doing the floor. And if you guys have any questions at all, I want you to hit me up before I launch the videos. I may be able to answer them in the videos for you. Okay, so come down and have a look at this. I'll do a quick run around of everything that's finished. I'm about to call the customer tomorrow and he is going to come and collect his pride and joy. And this is a real treat of a boat.